Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Amy from Sonic the Hedgehog. Super simple tutorial. You do need VIP for this. For the skirt, but you can use the non-VIP skirt that's here. It's just not going to be as poofy though. So let's get started with the video. Just going to remove everything except for the makeup. For the hair, we're just going to use this in this color, FF8 CB1, and then for the hair I'm just going to layer on some short hairs. Sorry, there's like snacks next to me, so it's a little bit loud. Just remove that, and then we're also going to layer this on as well. Super simple for the hair. Then we just need these ears in that color, and then we're going to make the inside part kind of like this color-ish, and then we're going to use that same color again. I am going to adjust it a little bit so it's more down here. Then for the outfit we're going to use this in this red 9E1014, and then for the fit we're going to use this one. Just layer on some reds and just leave that last part white like that. For the shoes we're going to use this in white, white, red, and this like gray color. And then for the gloves we're going to use this one in the short in white and gold. The gold I just used DCA 45F. I'm just going to see though. I can barely see that. Let me like do a pose so I can see the gloves. If you like the gold, you can stick with that. I'm just going to make it a little bit more yellow. Maybe like this color. Then we're just going to use this and turn off feet, and we're going to use that same pink. And that's pretty much it. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.